Hello, my friends. Now let's look at question number 4. Question number 4 gives you an expression and also give you 4 choices. Ask you which one is equivalent to the given expression. And observe those 4 choices. They are the factorization form. If you remember, we talk about the special product formula. Okay, now let's see. How can we apply the special product formula? This way, we can use it inversely, going backward, which means if we can rewrite this given expression in this form, then I can rewrite as a plus b parentheses square form. Okay, now let's see. Copy it down. I have 9a to the power of 4 plus 12a squared b squared plus 4 times b to the power of 4. Let's start with the easy part. Can I rewrite this as something square to match this form? Now, for a, I can write a square equal a to the power of 4, which is fine. Now, which number I need to write inside here? Which means I need a number here, square it, then equal 9. Therefore, number 3 is your choice because 3 squared equal 9. Now let's just quickly observe it. See, do they equal? Okay, 3 squared, which is 9. A square, this is the power of power property of exponent. 2 times 2 equal 4. Okay, done. Now let's look at the last term. We always start with the easiest one, okay? We need to rewrite it back to b square form, something square form. Same thing, for b to the power of 4, I can write as b square, because power for power property, 2 times 2 equal 4. Now, I need a number here, squared equal 4. In other words, I need the square root of 4, which is 2. Double check, 2 squared is 4. B square, which is b to the power of 4. Okay? Here is my b. Now, b squared. Here's my b. Here's a square. Here is my a. Back to the formula, a squared and a squared. So I'm done for the first term and the last term. Now, let's double check the middle term. Do they match? Okay? So the middle term is supposed to be 2 times a, where my a is 3a squared, and times b, where my b is 2b squared, and then plus b. Now let's see. 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 2, which is 12. A squared and b squared, yes, they are equal. Okay, they equal to each other. Now let's see where I rewrite my expression back to this form. Now I can rewrite it here because I'm going backward, put it into the factorization form inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, square. A plus b parentheses square. I just need to substitute where my a is 3a squared plus where my b is 2b squared and parentheses square. Again, double check. A is 3a squared is right here. B, which is 2b squared, is right here. So a plus b parentheses square. Now back to the choice where you can see a is the correct solution. So for some student, if you feel this is a little confused for you, okay, you're not very good with this special product, do not give it up. Using 2 by 2 table, try to see which one equal that. We're going backward. However, you might need to multiply all those 4 like answers to see which one equal. Let's just try use the first one part, the answer A. We have 3a squared plus 2b squared squared. Using 2 by 2 table, you're going to have 3a squared, 2b squared. And someone might get confused that what do I need to put right here? You can expand this as 3a squared plus 2b squared multiplied by 3a squared plus 2b squared, because this is the meaning of the exponent. Expand it out, then you have the second parentheses, then I'm going to put 3a squared and 2b squared here. This is how do you set up your 2 by 2 table. Now multiply them together. 3 times 3, which is 9. A squared times a squared, which is a to the power of 4. And we're going to multiply every single term together. 3 times 2, which is 6. And a squared, b squared, drag it down here. 3 times 2, which is 6. And a squared and a b squared, we're going to drag it down. 2 times 2, which is a 4. B squared times b squared is b to the power of 4. Now, as we mentioned before, the diagonal is the like term, where you can combine them. So the final answer is going to be 9a to the power of 4. Positive 6 plus positive 6, which is positive 12. A squared, b squared. Take this as your unit, because when you combine the like term, you only combine the coefficient. Just leave all those variables as your unit. Drag it down. Positive 4, b to the power of 4. And you can see this is exactly the given expression. So we're lucky the correct answer is A. Then we only did one 2 by 2 table. Okay, again, let me repeat, make a summary for question number 4. The best way to deal is to use the special product formula. Rewrite it back to the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared form. Then write it with close parentheses a plus b squared. This is the easiest way or the best way to do it. However, if you feel like you don't like this, you definitely can use the 2 by 2 table to find it out. And remember, if you only have 1 minute for that question, you might not able to multiply 4 times for all those answer choices. Therefore, I strongly suggest you be very familiar with the special product. It will save you a lot of time. This is all for question number 4.